Hey, welcome to PropStream tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you what's probably one of the best filters right now on PropStream, and that is their zombie properties. Now what zombie property is, it is actually a combination of both vacant and pre-foreclosure. So it is actually a stack of properties that you can get right here that would be highly motivated, because guess what? The property probably went into default, somebody moved out, and now it's just sitting there. And this actually, just looking here on in Bakersfield, this property sold 2 years ago, but now it is in default as of just a couple months ago. About 5 months ago, went into default for $103,000. Get Real LLC. So this is a real estate investor that purchased a property, and about a year and a half later, went into default. Now supposedly it is vacant. Here you can see some past MLS data. Shoot, I'm probably going to pull this up and cold call these people to see what's going on, because, apparently they owe somewhere around $75,000. It might be worth 120-ish, low hundreds, mid hundreds, something like that. Right. So this is the zombie filter. Now, if you see this stack, there's not very many, right? So when you get a very motivated list like this, it is very important to go after them very quickly. You probably got to look this up daily, maybe weekly. I wouldn't go more than weekly, more than once a week. I would try to get as much as possible, once, twice, 3 times a week. Look to see what properties are vacant, what is coming up as pre-foreclosure in that zombie property list. If you don't have PropStream, there is a 7-day free trial down below. Again, this is PropStream tutorial, zombie properties. Get your 7-day free trial today. See you next time.